In this video, I'll show you how to make sticker in Canva. It is very simple. If you are a Canva free user or if you are a Canva Pro user, you can create sticker in Canva. First, go to the app section. Click here and now search sticker gen. Click the sticker gen and you will find this app. Click here. You can either click use in existing design or use in new design. I'm clicking use in new design. Click here and add your size. Let's say I want to add 500 by 500 pixel. Now create new design. And now describe the design you want to create. Let's say I want to create a funny baby and cute baby, and click here to generate the sticker. Just wait a few seconds. Boom, my sticker is ready and I can now download my sticker from here, or I can add text. To download it, just click here, and now click the download button. My sticker is ready. See, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.